Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to change Japanese keymap from QWERTZ to QWERTY on Windows. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKI local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set. Click and expand control, click and expand keyboard layouts, click 00000411. Open layout file, change value data to kbdgr.dll. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.